Hello बच्चों, let's read this question. So the question is, which of the following oxide is amphoteric? Okay, so we have to find that in out of 4, which one is amphoteric in nature. First of all, we know about what are the amphoteric oxide. Okay, so basically the amphoteric oxides are those oxides which behave both as which act both as acid as well as base. Okay, so basically any compound or oxide which behave both like acid or as base are called as amphoteric oxide or amphoteric compound. Okay, so actually this behavior is depend on electropositive character of atom or element. Okay, especially the electropositive character of central atom. Okay, so in that case I told you that more electropositive nature of or more electropositive character of central atom, if any central atom is more electronegative, in that case this type of this compound or this central atom formed any oxide which is more basic in nature. Okay, so more electropositive the central atom, the oxide becomes more basic. Okay, in reverse of that we can say that more electronegative the central atom जितना ज्यादा इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव होगा वो ऑक्साइड उसका जो है वो उतना ज्यादा क्या होगा, एसिडिक बिहेवियर का. ओके, सो we can say that in respect of this we can say that metal generally forms basic oxide because metals are electropositive in nature, so the oxides of metals are basic in nature. Okay, so basic oxide form करते हैं metal, and in case of non metal, as we know, these are electronegative in nature, so the oxides of non metal are acidic. Okay, so we can say that the metalloids, okay, basically the metalloids or are show both behavior, that is electropositive and electronegative with respect of the neighboring element. Okay, so metalloids actually form the amphoteric oxides. So here, as we know, carbon, there are 4 compounds, that is CO2, okay, CO2 and SNO2 and CaO and SiO2. Okay, so in this carbon is completely we know that is non-metal, so this is actually the acidic oxide. So this is actually, because it's a non-metal, so the oxide formed by carbon is acidic oxide. Okay, and the oxide formed by calcium oxide is basic oxide. And again, when we compare in these two, silicon oxide is also considered as acidic oxide. Here the SnO2, this is actually our amphoteric oxide. Okay, that means this SnO2 behave both act as acid and as well as act as base. Now here I'll show you what reaction this show. If first of all I show you that SnO2 as base, in that case it react with H positive. Okay, so SnO2 plus H positive, then it forms Sn plus 4 plus 2H2. Okay, and second case we can say that SnO2 act as acid, and when it acted acid it react with base, that is OH negative, and it forms SnOH whole 6 minus 2. Okay, so that means SnO2 react with base as well as acid. So our most appropriate answer in all of these, the amphoteric oxide, is SnO2. So option number 2 is correct. I hope you will understand this question. Thank you.